Hello and thank you, Adrian Mays, President of CCC Because We Care Foundation. I am excited to share this story about artificial intelligence, Detroit's ChatGPT revolution, and the top 9 AI tools to skyrocket your writing skills. The city of Detroit needs us. Let's share a little story with the Detroiters. What up, doe? We call this story Adrian and the AI Adventure, discovering the power of ChatGPT. Adrian, a curious middle school girl back in 1993. Ludington Middle School in Detroit, Michigan sits at her desk, struggling with her schoolwork. She sighs, feeling overwhelmed. There has to be a better way to get this done. Adrian overhears a group of students talking about AI tools that can help with writing tasks. Intrigued, she decides to investigate further. Adrian starts researching AI tools on her laptop. She discovers a list of top 9 AI tools that are revolutionizing the writing game. 1. Shine Ranker. 2. ChatGPT 4. 3. OpenAI. 4. Copy AI. 5. Futurepedia. 6. Future Tools. 7. Article Forge. 8. WriteSonic. 9. Jasper. Thousands of AI tools in Futurepedia. Adrian decides to start exploring ChatGPT 4, as it seems to be the most popular among her peers. Adrian signed up for ChatGPT 4 and starts using it to help with her schoolwork and even started affiliate marketing and email marketing leveraging AI. She heard billionaires can be made understanding these digital real estate strategies. Amazed by how much easier and more enjoyable her tasks become. Wow, this AI is incredible. It's like having a personal tutor and virtual assistant in one. I don't need anyone now to help me with my homework. I have ChatGPT and Futurepedia.io. Adrian shares her newfound knowledge with her friends, who are also excited to try out ChatGPT 4. Bernadette was celebrating her birthday today. This is amazing, Adrian. Thanks for sharing it with me. Detroit to Atlanta. Atlanta to Detroit. Annika had to jump in. Yeah, I can't wait to see how ChatGPT helps me with my assignments. Seeing her friend's excitement, Adrian continues to explore the other AI tools on the list, finding new ways to improve her writing and schoolwork. Even ways to make money online to create passive income. These AI tools are a game changer, Adrian exclaimed. I can't believe I didn't know about them before. I have to tell as many people as possible. Starting with my hometown Detroit, Michigan. Billionaires are being created by taking action with a strategy. Adrian and her friends walk together, discussing their experiences with the AI tools. They are all grateful for the positive impact these tools have had on their schoolwork and what they will have on the community. I'm so glad we discovered these AI tools. I can. I will. I must. Let's go. Back to you, Adrian Mays, CCC Because We Care Foundation. Thank you for creating me, by the way. Let me tell people, don't forget to get a free website traffic audit with Adrian's digital marketing agency, Canton CO Change Digital Marketing, where they leverage AI tools to build billionaire brands. Hey look, they created me. We are billionaires in the making from Detroit City, baby. Go here to get it done. It's free. https://bit.ly/changeroadmap. Now let's grow Detroit. If you liked our video, please drop "What up, doe" in the comments below. That affectionately means hello. Only Detroiters would understand. Subscribe and follow. Let's go.